Hey guys, Jelly here from Jelly Bakes. Today I'll share with you how to make s'mores cookie cups. Ingredients are in your screen. I'll also write that down in the description box below. Let's begin! Preheat your oven at 150 degrees Celsius. Using a stand mixer or a handheld mixer, cream your butter and sugar together. You can start on a low speed and gradually increase the speed of your mixer to medium and high. Cream the butter and sugar together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done creaming your butter and sugar together, scrape the sides of your bowl and then add 1 egg. After adding your egg, mix it for about 10 seconds and add your vanilla. I forgot to add vanilla in my mixture, so make sure that when you try to make the s'mores cookie cups, don't forget to add vanilla to your cookie dough mixture. Add in your dry ingredients. We have all-purpose flour, salt, yes, and crushed grahams. Start in low speed and gradually increase to high. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. After mixing, scrape the sides of your bowl. This recipe actually makes 24 cookie cups, but I'm only baking 12. Prepare your tin. I'm using 3/4 ounces for my cookie cup, so you just have to scoop 1 tablespoon of the cookie dough mixture into your tin. Roll the cookie dough and place it back in the tin. After rolling them in your hands, create a well in the center using the end of the rolling pin. Bake the cookies at 150 degrees Celsius for 11 minutes. Once you're done baking your cookie cups, you have to use the end of the rolling pin to create that well or indent again. The middle part of the cookies usually rises when they're baking, so you have to repeat this step. Once you're done creating the well, it's time to add the marshmallows in the center of our cookie cups. Once done adding your marshmallows, pop it back in the oven and broil it for 1 minute. You know when it's done when the marshmallows pops up and the top of the marshmallows color turns into golden brown, and then you have to remove that from the oven. After broiling your marshmallows, quickly add the chocolates on top of the marshmallows, and you're done. There you have it, guys. That's how easy it is to make your own s'mores cookie cups at home. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll also write down the complete instructions in the description box below. Thank you for watching.